Today.
Today is an exciting day here at Solstice at Sandy. One of our residents, Jack, is a pilot for Air Force One. He has an opportunity today to meet with some students out at the airports and get back up in the skies. Safe travels, Jack.
Hey, have a nice flight, Jack.